Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing April's Boxycharm, and I must say I really loved this month's box. If you guys are new here or new to any of my Boxycharm videos, I always try on the products for you guys and I give you my full, open, honest opinion on each product. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see what is in this month's box, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so as always, I look a little crazy right now because I'm gonna be trying on the products for you guys. And all I have on right now is my foundation, my bronzer powder, what do you call it? Concealer. I just had like a big brain fart. And I have my brows on. So that way I can try everything on for you guys and give you guys a full review. So the first item from the box is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Face Mask. And by the way, the card in the box is like completely different than usual. It's more of like a pamphlet, so that's kind of cool. So the description says that this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. And this retails for $47. Which is, I just realized I was like holding the back instead of the front. $47, so that's like a lot. I'm obviously not going to be trying this on camera because it's a face mask and it would just be a mess and I'd have to like go wash it off and it's like a thing, you know. We have gotten Dr. Brandt items before in the box and so far I have loved a lot of the products. One of the face exfoliating products that they put in the box was a little too harsh for my skin, but I do really love the primer and other things that they have given us, so I am really excited to try this out. So the next product in the box is this Colourpop palette, and I received the Semi-Precious palette, and I know that there was like 5 different Colourpop palettes that we would be getting in this month's box, so everyone kind of got a different one, I guess you can say, and I got the Semi-Precious one, which I am not complaining about because it is a palette full of shimmers, which is something kind of different. Like, I don't really own a lot of shimmers in these colors, so I'm really excited to try this out. But before we get into this, I just wanted to read the description. It says, highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect and blends smoothly and evenly. So obviously this kind of a palette, you're gonna need other colors to go with it that are not in the palette because, you know, they're all shimmer and you can't really like blend a shimmer into your transition area. I mean, you could, but it won't look as nice. Unless you want to just like use this palette for like an all over the lid kind of look. But I think I am going to go in to my Sigma palette I have right here. There are a lot of matte neutrals inside the palette that I can kind of work with this. And I'm going to try to come up with like a look for you guys. So I have already primed my lids off camera. I feel like the lighting has been so weird on my videos lately. I don't know what's going on with my camera, so hopefully it looks okay. But I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so we can come up with a look. Hello. So we're nice and zoomed in and now you guys can see all of this craziness. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the Sigma palette first and just use some of these neutral shades to kind of create a transition. So I'm going to go into this taupey shade right here and just use my Sigma E35 blending brush. I love this brush so much. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of blend this into the transition area. And then next I'm going to go into this deeper dark brown shade right here just to kind of deepen up the crease. Nothing fancy. I'm not really sure which colors I'm going to use from the Colourpop palette yet, but I'm really excited because I've never tried any of their actual like pressed powdered pans, you know what I'm saying? I've only used their actual like single like Super Shock shadows, which are more of like a creamy kind of texture. So I'm really curious to see how these are gonna look. Okay, so we have all of these colors to pick from. I'm kind of like leaning towards this like bright gold shade right here. I think this is so pretty. But I also have this green one right here which would match my shirt like perfectly. So I don't know. Maybe I can do like a combo of both. These look so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and like swatch a few because Ooh, these look so nice. So that's what these look like. Obviously, they are very pigmented. I think I'm actually gonna go for this greenish shade because it seems to look really pretty in the swatch. So I think I'm gonna just use my finger because it seems like that would give it the best color payoff. So I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. See, normally I don't like eyeshadow palettes that don't have matte colors to go with it, but that is okay. I'm kind of excited to try something different and something new. I love how effortless that was. Like, all I did was just swipe with my finger, pat it on my lid, and I'm done. So with that being said, I am gonna go into this black from the palette and just kind of smoke out the corners just a little bit, just to add some depth to the look, make it nice and smoky. And then I'm just gonna go underneath the lash line and blend everything out. And I am just using the brown and the black mixed together just to kind of like tie everything together. I know it looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna go off camera in just a second and add some eyeliner and lashes, mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went off camera and applied some eyeliner and mascara. I was gonna put lashes on, but then I realized, like, it's Wednesday. I'm not going anywhere that deserves lashes. So we will just go ahead and get to the next product. So the next item in the box is this brow gel by The Brow Gal. The description says, tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to the brows. This retails for $22 and they gave me the shade 02. Hopefully it's dark enough because I typically have darker brows. I have already put on my brow pencil and I just use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. So let's see. I hope this isn't too light. So just looks like this. It's a really, really small spoolie. I think this might be an okay color, so let's see how this works. I didn't put any other product in my brows other than the brow pencil. So we shall see how this works. I love brow gels that have small spoolies. It just makes it so much easier. And yeah, I think this color is perfect actually. It's like they knew. So I don't know if you guys can really tell a difference, but up close I can see that it is brushing my brow hairs into place, and I am down for that. So yeah, I think that looks okay. So I am not mad about this product. And before I get into the other products, I just wanted to say in regards to the Colourpop palette, I forgot to tell you guys, this went on really nicely. The only problem is, like I said earlier, you can't create like a full look with just these colors. You definitely need to go into like another shadow or palette to create like a full makeup look, if you know what I'm saying. But the green went on really beautifully. I do love this palette. I think it's something I'm going to be using a lot, and I can't wait to like get into this like gold or this like burgundy shade during the holidays. That's going to be a lot of fun. So the next product is this Tartiest Pro Glow highlighter, and it says that this retails for $29, and it says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto the skin and keeps moisture in with tapered squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you wanted. And I got the shade Exposed. I know there were like 3 different options, I think. And thank God they sent me the lightest one, because these other shades in the picture, I don't know if you guys can see, but they look really dark and that would not work for my skin. So let's see, I don't know. I'm not big on liquid highlighters. I mean, they look pretty, but I feel like they tend to show off the texture on my face more than like a powder formula. But I just put a little on my hand here, and oh, that is pretty. So I don't know if that's showing up very well on camera, but that is gorgeous. It's almost like a champagne gold kind of color. So I think what I'm gonna do to place this on my face is get my beauty blender and dab it in. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I got my damp sponge and I'm just gonna place a little bit on my hand. It seems like a little bit goes a long way, but hopefully this will look all right. I think it will. It might be a tad dark for my skin because I am very fair these days. But we will see how this looks. I'm just placing this where I normally would with my highlight. Oh, that's really pretty. Once again, I'm not big on liquid highlighters. Like, I can already see it emphasizing my texture. Hopefully you guys can't see that on camera, but this is really pretty. So I'm going to place a little bit of this down my nose as I usually would. I'm just like highlighting in all the places that I normally do. Maybe if I use my finger. Oh, that looks kind of crazy. So let me blend that out. And then I think I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and just place some of that in the inner corners of the eyes, just to kind of tie everything together. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it's really pretty on the skin. Like I keep saying, it does show my texture when I am looking up close in the mirror. So this is probably something I wouldn't wear all the time. I'd probably wear it on more of like a good skin day, which I haven't been having lately. And I do kind of want to play around with this a little bit more, but I am still happy about it. I think it's really pretty and something that I could use for more like special occasions and things like that, or if I do want to make my foundation more luminous. So the final product in the box is this Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade, it's not on the box, so let me look at the tube. I got the shade... Okay, is there like no shade name on this? I am not seeing a shade name on this at all, but this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a mauve-y nude kind of color. It says that this retails for $24. It says luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick. Provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for a long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. I don't know what that means, but we are gonna try this out. This is not a matte liquid lipstick. It almost looks like more of a gloss, or it's probably just like a liquid lipstick with a glossy finish, which I'm not really big on, but we're gonna try this on anyways and see what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of a candle smell, like a little bit of vanilla, maybe. I don't know, but let's see. Okay, so yeah, it is definitely glossy. Okay, so that is the color. Like I said, I do like the color. It looks really pretty, but I do not like this like sticky, glossy feeling on my lips. It's just not for me. So if I do wear this, it might be for more like a special occasion or like a makeup look I do on Instagram. It's a shame because I really, really do like this color. I think it's really pretty, but overall, this is probably something I'm not going to be wearing a lot. And that is it for this month's box. Overall, I think it was pretty good. I love that we got that Colourpop palette. And once again, the highlighter is really pretty. It does show my texture, but I think I'll still wear it. Everything else was really nice. I actually really loved the brow gel. I'm not big on the lipstick, and I'm very excited to try the face mask. I'll definitely have to let you guys know how that works out. But if you guys got Boxycharm this month, let me know how you liked your box, and leave a comment down below what your favorite item was from the box. And be sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, which means we are so close to that giveaway. So subscribe, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. I have links to that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video.